Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Prachi Singh and today we'll share my top 5 favorite lipsticks with you guys. So all these lipsticks look great on brown skin because I fall in the category of medium deep to dusky. So these lipsticks look great on me, and if you're anywhere closer to my skin tone, these would look great on you as well. These lipsticks are quite affordable, they are wearable and they are good quality. So I've decided to do this series on my channel wherein I would share my top 5 products with you guys. So I've already created one video, my top 5 drugstore moisturizers which are affordable and good quality. I'll share the link of that one in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that out, and I think this is quite a long introduction, so let's get started. My first lipstick is from Nykaa So Matte range, and this is the one. Actually this is in the mini version. I'm definitely going to buy a big one. So this one, the full one retails for $3.99 and this one I bought for $1.99. This is in the shade 11. This is in the shade Naughty Nude. I'm already completely used it, and this is the one. So this is really comfortable. This is in the matte shade. Let's see the this one has this brown peachy nude pink color. So if you are looking for a lipstick for college wear or office wear, this is the one. This is wearable. This is really soft on the lips. Moving on to my next lipstick, this one is by Maybelline. This is from their The Loaded Bolds collection, and I'm in the shade Mauve 21. This one retails for 475 rupees, and this is the shade. So I like applying this lipstick with a lip liner, and this is the lip liner which I use with this one. This is also from Maybelline. This is one of the best lip liners I have used. This is highly pigmented and it's in the shade 120 Rich Chocolate, and this one retails for 350 rupees. You can also fill your lips with this lip liner. So these two looks great together. So my third lipstick for today is by Lakme. This one is from their 9 to 5 collection. This is primer plus matte lipstick. So all the lipsticks fall in matte category because I like matte lipsticks. This is also one of the most comfortable wear and daily wear lipstick, and I'm in the shade Caramel Cut. This one retails for 500 rupees. This has a orange undertone to it. This is light brown, a beautiful orange kind of undertone, nude color for brown skin. So my fourth lipstick is again by Nykaa. This one is from their Nykaa Creamy range, and I'm in the shade Deja Nude. This one retails for 299 rupees. Yeah, and Deja Nude looks like a brown shade. Again a brown shade but a different tone. This is not that matte. You can see this is not that matte, it has a shine to it, so if you don't like shine, this is not the one for you. But this is one of the most affordable, good quality lipstick. Moving on to my last lipstick, guys. This one is by Maybelline. This one is from their liquid matte collection. I'm in the shade 02 Soft Wine. But this is again one of the most affordable, comfortable lipstick. This one retails for 349 rupees. And it comes with this applicator. It takes few seconds to dry down to a matte finish. You can see how pigmented it is. This is the most comfortable liquid lipstick which I have come across. So those were my top 5 favorite lipsticks, guys, and link of all the lipsticks will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And that's all for this video. I really hope you like it, and if you do, please hit like, share, subscribe, comment down below what else you want to say, and we'll be back soon. Thank you.